Guys, today I'm excited to introduce you to the MOVESPEED S05, a magnetic blade 5000 milliamp hour PD20 ultra thin magnetic power bank. So stick around to see why this power bank is a must have for your tech arsenal. I'll be back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking to the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the S05 magnetic blade from MOVESPEED. Now, if you don't know MOVESPEED, well, they make a ton of cool charging tech for all of your portable charging needs. Now, before we get into it, MOVESPEED sent me this S05 power bank to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. First off guys, open up the box and we have a USB-C charging cable. We also have a magnetic ring that you can stick to non-magnetic wireless devices, so that's pretty neat. And you have some instructions. Then guys, you have the S05 itself. Now, I gotta say that this feels light, but you know what? It feels solid and well made. Now, I've got it in this titanium color, but it also comes in silver. Putting it up to the Apple MagSafe power bank, and you can see this is a little longer, but it's a lot thinner. Flipping it around the back guys, and you can see you've got a power meter, so you can see how much charge the power pack has, so that's pretty neat. And this also comes on when you attach a phone, then you can see how much battery level you got, or you can press this little test button on the side and you get to see the battery status then as well. Now guys, just so you can get an idea of what this looks like on a phone, here you can see the S5 connected to an iPhone mini, so not such a great fit as it kind of hangs over the bottom, but when it's attached to my iPhone 15 Pro, it fits rather well with no overhang. And for those of you wondering how it stacks up against the Apple power bank, well, the MOVESPEED S05 delivers nearly 3.5 times the output of the Apple MagSafe power bank with a massive 5000 milliamp hour capacity. That's compared to Apple's 1460 milliamp hours. So quite a significant difference for not much size and a lot thinner. Now the S05 is perfectly compatible with MagSafe and Qi 1 and 2 devices, and with a very strong magnet there is no need to worry about loose connections or misalignment or this battery pack falling off. The S05 also has an ultra thin design, as I said, at just 9mm thick or thin. It's incredibly sleek and stylish, fitting into any pocket or bag. Plus, it only weighs 115 grams, making it ultra light to carry around. But don't let this slim profile fool you. The MOVESPEED S05 packs a punch with 15 watts wireless charging and 20 watts PD fast charging. This means you can charge your devices quickly and efficiently, no matter where you are, and you know what, safely too, because the MOVESPEED S05 comes in with built-in safety protection and a sleep mode to keep your devices safe when charging. And what about the cost guys? Well, the MOVESPEED S05 currently is on sale for just £37, down from its regular price of £81, and that's a massive saving of, well, do the maths, £44, right? So there you have it guys. If you're looking for a powerful, ultra thin and reliable power bank, the S05 from MOVESPEED is your perfect companion. at a perfect price that won't break the bank. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to MOVESPEED for sending me this cool power bank to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.